Hey, I have prepared a template for you with which you can create a unique and stylish cover for your track in just a few seconds. Let me show you. First, open the project folder and open the Photoshop file. After that, go to the project itself. Here, we need the topmost layer. This one, double-click on it, and a new window will open where you need to write the track title. After you do everything, press the key combination to save the changes. Next, go to the main window. You can see that your text has been added and the cover is almost ready. At the bottom in the layers, you can remove the copyright notice or leave it and apply some color filter or create your own. After that, save the cover in JPEG format, 3000 by 3000 pixels. I hope I helped you. Check out my other videos on the channel. There you will find covers for tracks, animation templates, and design resources. You can download the project via the link in the description. Thank you and good luck.